Hi, I'm Yashwant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you why freshers need to work with startups apart from working with MNCs, and what are the advantages of working with startups. So, in general, most of the engineers or most of the individuals prefer to work under MNCs but not startups. There are many reasons for that. The first thing is there is no guarantee that you will work with them for a longer period of time. So people may feel insecure about that. And the second thing is salary. MNCs pay you a fixed set of salary, and startups, sometimes some startups may pay you good salary and some startups will not. So these are the two things that people fear about and avoid joining startups. But in this video, I will suggest few things, and that really helps you to decide why to choose startups over all these MNC companies. So let's start the video. So the first advantage that you will get working with startup is more responsibilities. So more responsibilities in the sense, so in startups there are only few set of people who works along with you, and there are chances that the skill that you are working will not be known to everyone. So not everyone will know that skill that you are working, so which means people are dependent on you for that particular skill. So you will take that as a responsibility, because so in MNCs, like, you will work with team of 7 to 8, or sometimes you will work with team more than 10. So if you struggle anywhere, there are people to help you out there. So you will not feel that much responsible there. But in startups, you need to feel responsible, and you need to take the responsibility, and it really helps you to take wise decisions in your career. And the second thing that can be an advantage is more opportunities. So you will get various opportunities in startups than working under MNCs. The few things are like, you may be involved in programming part, you may be involved in management part, you may be involved in marketing part. Sometimes you need to take multiple things at a time, so which gives you enough opportunities to explore. So it is the advantage that you will get working in startups, where you will not get in working with already settled companies. Because in companies like MNCs, there are fixed set of tasks for you, you need to complete them. But in startups, there are no such things, so you need to take part in all kinds of discussions, and you need to be a part of many domains. And the next thing that I would suggest is more learning opportunities. Yes, in startups, so as you see in the previous two steps, you take more responsibilities and you will be given more opportunities, which means there are various chances that you will learn more things. So there are learning opportunities every day, so you will learn every new thing, and you will know how to collaborate with people easily, because there are only limited set of people. So there is various learning opportunities, which is that much good when compared to MNCs. And the next thing is, you will work with real innovators. So yes, because startup there are only few set of people, so there are high chances that you work with founders of that startup, so who are real innovators. So you will get various tips on how one can actually start from scratch. So you are a part of something from scratch, so you will get closer to work with innovators, so which helps you a lot in career. So even if you have plans to start your own startup, this experience will really help you. And the next advantage is, so dealing with failures and successes. So yes, in startups, in the initial days of startup, you may be experienced with number of failures, because as it is a startup, it's all about trying and experimenting a different set of things. So you will know how to face failures and get success out of that this is the only way you can learn that. Because in MNCs, you will not be acknowledged with all those things. Your job is just to make sure a particular task is done. But where in startups, you will get to exposed on various things. So you will learn how to face failures, challenges in life. So it's really great thing. And the next advantage is, working in startups is really challenging as well as rewarding. So if you face a failure, so like, people will blame you for that, because you are the sole responsible person who did that task. And also, if you did something good and it impacts the productivity of your company, then you will be rewarded high, because people can easily recognize, like, who is the one that is the part of my particular success. So you will be easily recognized, you will be easily rewarded, as well as you will be easily blamed. So there are various chances that there is a lot of scope to work in a challenging environment and to get rewarded highly. And the last advantage is you can improve the multitasking ability, so which is not possible in other companies, because at a time you involve in various kind of areas in your startup. Sometimes you may recruit people under you, sometimes you may work for your task, sometimes you will involve in management discussions. So you can do multitasking there, and it really helps you a lot, because in future, if you are aiming to do a particular managing role, this multitasking ability will really help you. And also it makes you efficient in your everyday life. So yeah, these are all the advantages that startups have when compared to other companies. So if you are a fresher, I advise to choose a startup. So don't worry about salary, because if you do well, you will be rewarded high. And when you come out of the startup with all these experiences, you will be paid high ultimately. So don't worry about all those things. I advise, if you want to have a great career ahead, choose startups. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please like and share this video in your network. And if you feel someone needs to know about this, please share again. So if you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.